Sammy's coming. Here he comes.
There he goes.
There he is. There's Daddy up in the sky. Can you see him, Oakley? There he is. Sorry. Where's the tiger moth?
There.
That one. What colour is it?
Yellow and black.
And you think Mama should go on that one?
Yeah, and
Okay, that's a pretty cool one. What number's on there? A 4 and a
8.
8. 40.
8.
Cool.
I'll go on the 48 one.
Yeah, the 48 one. That's pretty cool.
Is that him there?
Yes, it is. Wave.
Is that him?
Yes, it is. That's Daddy. So cool. He lands on the grass even. Lucky. And he's going to come around. Oh, look. Daddy's coming. Wow, he's coming in. Wait for Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Dad.
There you go. Now you can look over the side and see Mum's over. Look
Hi.
over there. There you go.
Hi, Oakley.
How about that? Right.
That's awesome. Where am I, Oakley? Can you see me? Hello.
There you go. You're flying on.
Oh, wow. Hi, Oakley. Can you wave to Nenma? Oh, you look so cool. Say hi, Nenma. Yeah. Where is Isla? Where is Isla? Hi, oh, there you are. Hello.
Papi. Hi, Ala.
Hi.
That's 2 hours.
You guys. You happy?
That's cool.
You might be a pilot one day. I can see Isla doing it. Oh, you need for speed, eh? Here she is.
Alright.
Okay, guys. Let's go.
How about that, eh? Alright, well done. Well done. Now you can, that's right. I'll hang on to you now. You just get there and slide. There you go. Walk down there. There you go. And be careful, don't fall over the side, will you? There you go. Oh, wait a minute. Will you? That's there you go.
Isla, can you say thank you?
Thank you very much. High five. That's good. Good to see you.
That's nice. That's awesome.